Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unblur NSFW images on Reddit. Maybe you want to access and view NSFW content more easily and directly without any restrictions. So today I'm going to show you how to unblur NSFW images on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, you will now see this Blur NSFW Images option. Since you wanted to unblur not safe for work images on the platform, simply toggle off this switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully unblurred NSFW images on Reddit. Now you will be able to view NSFW images without the blur. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unblur NSFW images on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unblur NSFW images on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.